So this website is called Upwork. Let us see what Upwork does, the types of jobs that they have or that they offer, their payment mode, and also the qualifications that they want. So this is the interface of Upwork at the speed of your ambition. So it says that hire experts who use AI to amplify their talent, turning complex work into high impact business outcomes. So this is an AI platform that is hiring people, to work. So let us see here. They have web design, AI development, video editing, and also Google ads. So let us see. I want to hire. You can hire, and I want to work. You can also get a work. So click on I want to work to see the kind of works that they have, you know. So build your freelancing career on Upwork. Explore recent posted jobs. So find freelancers for every type of work. AI services, development and IT, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and support, finance and accounting, legal, HR and training, engineering and architecture. So these are the, if you're, these are the type of works that they have. So if you click here on find work, you will see that this is a find clients and remote jobs. Create your profile to highlight your best work and attract to top clients. Submit proposals for work, negotiate rates for the project you want, or reply to invites from clients. So you can also negotiate the amount of money that you want them to pay you. Now it's up to you. So get paid as you deliver work. Land a contract to do the work you love and get paid on time. So estimate earning. If you click on estimate earning, so we want to see freelance rate calculator. Are you new to freelancing or re-evaluating your current hourly rate for your freelance business? Use our free tool to quickly learn tips on how to establish your minimum hourly freelance. Like you're going you know, to estimate your payment, rent or home payment, you will put there utilities, health insurance, other minimum required income, you will put there. And you see, make sure that you read this one if you are up to that one. So let us check here. So you describe your job, the kind of job that you want, because they have a lot of jobs. So choose how you want to hire. Flexible options designed to fit your hiring needs. So basic, for occasional hiring and one project. Hire skilled freelancers first without long-term commitment or extra. So you can just come and you are going to look at everything, how it works, and how it goes. So let's say that you are a designer. Let's say like design and creative. If you click on design and creative, it is going to bring you here. So the designers, web designers, you see, Instagram reel editors, YouTube video editors. So if you know that you're a web designer, like you can edit videos, Instagram, YouTube, these are the people who are doing that work, and they are 1K plus pros, the people who knows what to do. Real estate photographers, resume designers, you see, wedding photographers, virtual staging experts. So these are find freelancing by relevant design and creative skills. So here you must be very, very creative. You must be very, very, very creative. Hmm? So let us see this other one. Let's check on this. Let's say, for instance, you are a development, you are in, category of development and IT. You just click here and you will see web developers, AI engineers, ethic hackers, software developers, Shopify developers. You see, these are the developers. These ones, they are the developers. And let's say that maybe you are good in sales and marketing. You just click on there. In sales and marketing, we have content writers, appointment setters, we have Google Ads experts, lead generation specialists, and we have email marketing consultants, social media managers. You see, data entry specialists. This is under, sales and marketing specialty. You know, these are under market sales and marketing. So we have lead generation, sales, internet market, email marketing, cold calling, market analysis, and all that is here. So I'm just showing you this so that if you know that you're good in this, you can get started. So engineering and architecture, let's see HR and training. Let's see the HR and training. Let's see on HR and training, what is under HR and training? HR managers, HR consultants, recruiters, compensation specialists, HRIS specialist, e-learning specialist, instructional designers, training and development. You see, under HR and training, we also have a lot and a lot. So human resource, which is HR, communication, compensation, business, procedure development, benefit. So guys, the reason to make this video is to just let you know that AI is hiring worldwide. You can be in your house and you can get paid. Like, let's see this one, training and development, they are being paid 78 per hour plus. That is a lot, but it is not guaranteed that when you join you're going to be paid. No, unless you are hired and your qualification is also good. You see? Yeah. So I did this video to tell you that if you know that you have all these qualifications, like you are among these, freelancing works, if you know that you are among all these freelancing works, just try your luck. Try your luck because AI is really hiring people worldwide. Just try your luck and maybe your resume and your CV will be good enough to convince these people to hire you. You never know where your luck lies from, guys. So for you to get started, just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you're going to, welcome to Upwork, which describe you best. You're going to click on whichever one that describes you. If you're a client, post a job and hire. Maybe you're a client, you will post a job to hire. If you're a freelancer, you work and you get paid. A freelancer means that you are going to get hired, you work and you get paid. If you're a client, you have a job, you post there and you hire. So you will click on freelance. The first thing you're going to put, you can as well sign up with your Google. Yes. And also, if you don't want to sign with your Google, you will come here and you will put all your details. Let me show you how you are going to sign up with your Google. So you just click on sign up with Google. It will take you to the place where your emails, your Gmails are, and you will click in one of your emails and it is done. You just click on continue, and after that it is going to bring you into another interface whereby you're now going to, you know, uh, you are going to click on, the terms and conditions, and you're going to click on create account, and immediately they will send you an email. Like now my email have just arrived, as I can see there, and after that you're going to create an account with them. For those people who are always asking if their country is eligible, I'm going to show you the countries that are eligible for this, you know, a AI company. So Algeria is in Africa, and all these companies are, you know, all these countries, not companies. So if we start from the first one, Algeria, Africa, you see Angola, Africa, you know, we have you just come here and check in this list. If you can see Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Central African Republic, Chad, Chile. No, Chile is not there. You see, we have Congo Democratic. These are the countries that are eligible. Djibouti, you see, Egypt, Ethiopia, you see guys, Ghana. So if you think that maybe your country is not here, you just come and check on the country eligibility. If you don't see your country here, you search it, and if it is not eligible, they will just tell you that your country is not eligible. We have Kenya, you see, Lesotho is in South Africa, Liberia, you see, Madagascar, Malawi, you see, Mali. You see guys, these are the countries that are eligible. There are so many. Namibia, Mozambique, you see, Nigeria. For my Nigeria friends, your country is eligible. You see guys, even India and Philippines is also there. We have Rwanda, though Philippines and India, they are not from Africa, but they are there. You see, so don't say that your country is not there. Sierra Leone, Somali, South Africa, Sri Lanka. Is Sri Lanka in Africa? Yes. So Tanzania. So all of these, Uganda, we have all of these, Zimbabwe, Zambia. So you just come and check on the country eligibility, and you will see if your country is eligible, and it will be good. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to show you how this app works, guys, and it is not guaranteed that when you're going to apply a job from this company that you're going to get hired, unless you have the qualification that they want. If your qualification is among whatever that they have listed there, then maybe you might be the luckiest among the applicants. So just try your luck. We keep on trying because nowadays people are working online, and if you have those qualifications, just try so that maybe you can be among the luckiest people. So thank you guys for watching this video, and be blessed.